Well, hi there, everybody, and good Friday morning to meteorologist Travis Klineski here as we look forward to the upcoming holiday weekend. Some very un-July-like conditions out there these next couple of days. Starting today, increasing clouds from the southwest and chances of rain as well. We're already seeing a little bit of light rain in the southwestern parts of the viewing area. That's where the best chance of rain will be today. Here in the Tri-Cities, just a slight chance of a shower or isolated thunderstorm this afternoon, and a little more sunshine as you make your way towards the east where it'll be a little bit warmer. The chances of rain do increase overnight tonight, especially after midnight. First out west and then again spreading eastward. Isolated thunderstorms now out of the question, although not expecting severe weather for most locations. And then tomorrow's the best chance of rain overall for most of us. Showers and storms. The heaviest rains are likely going to be in the southern parts of the viewing area. This is going to keep us on the cool side throughout your day on Saturday, with many of us stuck in the 60s for highs. Maybe a little warmer up towards the north with lower chances of rain. And then as we get into Saturday night, still a chance of rain and an isolated thunderstorm, although those chances do start to really diminish, especially after midnight, with just a small lingering chance early on Sunday morning, especially off towards the southeast. So let's take a look at our risk of severe weather. Again, the south and southwestern parts of the viewing areas, there's a small chance of a little bit of isolated severe thunderstorm activity. I'm not expecting much. There's not a ton of instability out there for today. So the bigger story is going to be the heavy rainfall. Now, this is one forecast model, but this kind of matches my thinking somewhat. I do think the highest totals will be south of Interstate 80 when you're talking about many places reporting or likely getting over an inch of rainfall. But there are some locations that could easily get over 2 inches of rainfall, especially as you move into northern portions of Kansas. I think 2 to 3 inches of rain, fairly common. Some localized heavier amounts are a possibility out there. The good news is this will be over a longer period of time. It's not going to fall all in the matter of an hour or two. So it will have time to soak in, so it shouldn't lead to a big flooding concern. I think until you get farther east in northern Kansas, there is a flash flood watch in effect from Republic County eastward and southward. So one county in the KSMB viewing area from tonight through Sunday evening. Again, 2 to 4 inches plus of rainfall. I think the higher totals will actually be a little farther southeast. So kind of on the edge of it. I don't think flooding is going to be a major concern because of the slower, steady kind of rainfall as opposed to the very quick hit of heavy rainfall. As for your temperatures for today, we're going to be topping out in the low to mid 60s up north. Notice how it gets cooler the farther west you go. The thicker clouds, the better chances of rain out west. Upper 60s to lower 70s out west for today. In the south, we're looking at lower and mid 70s. Still well below average for this time of the year. Pretty comfortable conditions temperature-wise, though. A little warmer out east. Upper 70s to right around 80 degrees in the Lincoln area under partly cloudy skies. I've kept things dry for this afternoon in the eastern part of the viewing area. The rest of your forecast, again, cooler conditions on Saturday. It won't be an all-day steady rain, but a number of off and on chances out there. There will probably be some breaks from time to time, but again, not the best of days, but hey, at the same time, it's July, and it's always nice when it's there's a little bit of a break from the heat. Sunday, a little warmer, but still below average in the 70s. We're going to be looking at still a lingering shower mainly in the morning. And then Monday, closer to our average high, which is typically now in the upper 80s this time of the year. We'll see plenty of sunshine, mostly sunny skies, dry conditions for your Independence Day. Looks good if you have plans. Monday night, it's not on the map here on the graphic here, but I will mention a very small chance of an isolated thunderstorm, but most of us, things will get off without a hitch for Monday night. Tuesday, slight chance of a shower, thunderstorm into Tuesday night here. Best chances in the eastern part of the state Tuesday night. And as we get into Tuesday through Thursday time frame, more heat building in. Heat and humidity, in fact, with mid to upper 90s and heat indices that could be up over 100 degrees. So a big change in our weather from the first part of that 7-day forecast to the second part of that 7-day forecast. You don't usually see that this time of the year here in July, but again, a cooler weekend is ahead of us. If you have weekend plans, well, take advantage of it. Enjoy the fact that many of us will be getting rain. Not all of us, unfortunately, but many of us will get some pretty good rains here in the coming days ahead. So there's your forecast for this Friday. Until next time, I'm meteorologist Travis Klineski. I hope you have a fantastic weekend. I will see you again on Tuesday, and have a happy 4th of July.